Hello. Boko's gonna talk to you while I plug up my PlayStation.
Wow. That sounded really dirty.
Plug up my PlayStation? How does that sound dirty?
But she actually is plugging up her PlayStation.
I'm plugging up my PlayStation.
So we can play Final Fantasy.
Yeah!
It's getting worse and worse.
What is?
Nothing! Nothing, I'm just talking to myself.
Loser.
Excuse me? I have a feeling I am not in the frame. It's like the camera is...
You're in the frame because I looked.
Yeah, well, since when have we trusted your cameraman skills?
What? Shut up. Peace.
I think that was out of the frame too.
Hush. Ugh, these are so many wires.
As you can see, plugging up the PlayStation is a tedious ordeal, which takes close to about 4 hours.
There's lots of wires. I can't.
Which equals to amount of 3 minutes of trying to figure out
Hush,
Final
hush,
Fantasy
hush, hush.
itself.
I got it. I've got it. I've got it.
Of course, then again, she's calling me up, asking for help.
Shush. Da, da, da.
I think it's bad. I have never beaten a Final Fantasy game before. Final Fantasy X, I got to like the last boss.
Neither have I.
But then dropped it. Final Fantasy X 2 wasn't as lucky.
That's when I heard it was good. Actually, yeah, I heard it was good, but then I don't know. It had its moments, I guess.
It's sleazy.
What?
It's sleazy.
What do you mean it's sleazy?
You've seen the cosplay outfit.
It's made in Japan. Of course, it's sleazy.
Oh man, I can just see the hate mail.
I love Japanese people. Have you not seen my room? Just saying. On video games, girls are always
Big boobs.
yeah. Why can't we have any flat-chested video people?
Because that would be the reality.
And we can't have that.
No,
Not at all.
that wouldn't make us awesome.
That wait, make us awesome or them?
Whoever
awesome?
you were talking about.
I was talking about video games. What were
I
you
was
talking
about video games too.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Wow.
Oh dear.
Oh crap.
I have
Is
a
that
lot
your-
of CDs.